Captain Vikram Batra. This name sounds familiar, right? Yes, the young man who just in 24 years had hosted the Indian tricolor on the highest peak. In the year 1976, Vikram Batra was born in a Khatri family in Himachal Pradesh, Palampur. The young man, who was such a great warrior that he sacrificed his life for the nation, had seen this dream of being an army officer since childhood. That 8-year-old kid used to participate every year in school parades after being dressed in an army uniform in the Republic Day and the Independence Day functions. In 1995, Vikram Batra then moved to Chandigarh for the preparation of his CDA exam and got admission in English in the Punjab University. After a year, owing to all of his hard work, he qualified the exam. And then he joined the Indian Military Academy in Dehradun for his army training. After 19 months, in December 1997, Vikram Batra finally became an army officer as a lieutenant and was selected to serve in Kashmir. During those days, Kashmir was the hub of terrorist activities. In the freezing cold regions and enemy danger, Vikram Batra paved his way ahead. Under the fearless leadership of Captain Vikram Batra, his battalion defeated the Pakistani army and hosted the Indian tricolor on the conquered regions. When the Kargil war broke out, Vikram Batra showed great courage and bravery and set such military achievements that he was soon promoted to the rank of a captain. Then, during an event of the Kargil war, Vikram Batra, when was enraged by the Pakistani army, went ahead, leaving his battalion behind in safety and showing a great characteristic of a captain. There, amidst intense fighting, Vikram Batra was caught by the army from behind. But still, he managed to kill many of the enemies alone. But then, an enemy bullet hit his chest, and he fell beside his injured soldiers, uttering the cry of Durga Mata ki Jai, and then breathed his last there. After the martyrdom of the great captain, the army was enraged, and in the rage of revenge, they blew the enemy into pieces and marked the victory of India in the Kargil war. After the martyrdom, the Captain Saab was awarded by the Paramveer Chakra. His comrades called him Sher Shah, the Lion King, and indeed he was, because even in the roar of gunfire, he laughed. Even at the face of death, he smiled. Yes, but behind that fearless smile lied a tender heart, a heart that had longings of a life. It had dreams of many of the events which he could not live to see. He had promised his beloved that he would be back, but the fate had set a different homecoming. And yes, he was for sure, but not uniformed in pride, but wrapped in the glory of the tricolor. Some lives end in sacrifice, but his became eternal. Because the heroes like the Captain Vikram Batra never die. They always remain alive in our hearts, in our dreams and in our hopes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.